real cost of filing a lawsuit in China court. In short, I will tell you like this way. If you want to file a case in China, the cost will be, normally speaking, between 5% to 25% of the dispute amount of the case. This is a simple answer, but I will further explain to you more detail. First thing is what kind of charges you may pay. Under our law, if international company, a company registered outside China, or an individual who is a foreigner, they want to file a case in China, first is you need to engage a lawyer qualified under China law. So you need to pay lawyer fee, then you need to pay the court fee to initiate the case. And if you want to freeze the bank account of your opponent, so you need to also pay asset freezing cost. Also, few important costs may involve are translation cost, because China court only work in Chinese according to our civil procedure law, and you cannot do the translation by yourself. You need to engage a third party translation company to do that, because the court need to confirm the translation work should be fair, not like in favor of one party. Also, power of attorney cost is also important, but that depends. For example, if a foreign individual hire a lawyer to start a case in China, and this individual is physically in China, so you can go with your lawyer to the court and sign the power of attorney in front of a judge. Then you don't need to pay like notarization, legalization fee for power of attorneys. But for foreign companies or for foreigners who are not in China, you need to notarize and legalize or apostille the power of attorney. This also have cost. And finally, is the travel expenses. So if your lawyer need to travel to participate in the court hearing or participate in the investigation work, there are some travel expenses. These are the key expense you need to pay when you file a lawsuit in China. And among these expenses, if at the time you sign a contract with your your opponent, there is a clause saying whoever breached the contract need to bear all the legal expenses. You can add all of these expenses into your claim of the lawsuit. But if you don't, in most scenario, you can get a court fee refund after you win the case. But for the rest of the cost, even you win the case, you need to pay your own cost. So in general, when we are calculating the cost, so it should be in average 5% to 25% of the total dispute amount. So if like this dispute amount of the case is higher, like a few million US dollar or even higher, the percentage will be definitely lower. But if the dispute amount is lower, then the percentage will be higher. But this is only a budget. So before you officially start the case, you need to discuss with your lawyer about all the details of the fees and cost. This is Larry Zhou. I'm partner and attorney from Landing Offices China. Contact me if you need.